Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vakas Tech. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone notifications not working after update iOS 18. Lot of iPhone user facing this kind of issue on their iPhones. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix that. So there are some method to solve that issue. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Firstly and basic method is make sure your notification is turned on from the silent mode. As you can see, this is silent button right now, and make sure your iPhone does not on silent mode. If your iPhone is on silent mode, then turn it off and you can easily fix that notification not working issue. Okay, if that method not working and you are still facing the notifications not working issue on your iPhone, then make sure you need to move to the step 2. The step 2 is open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down and tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below and tap on transfer or reset. Okay, tap on reset and you can see appears on screen reset all setting, reset network setting, reset keyboard, dictionary and other reset setting. Just select the reset all setting and apply it on your iPhone. After applying it on your iPhone, you can easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method not working and you're still facing, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Dependent on you that which model you are using, just go and force to restart your iPhone. After force to restart your iPhone, you can easily fix that. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again. After update iOS 18, then tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general, you need to scroll down below and tap on shutdown and restart your mobile after 5 to 10 seconds, and it will fix your issue. So friends, there are some method to solve that notification not working issue on your iPhone. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.